So we are back again. So for today's video, I'm gonna share to you some answer of my participants about
Renal Kapuyan present.
What is language? For me, language is what we use when we are going to communicate to other person in either spoken or written. So it is one of the way that we are using in order for us to understand each other. Yes. So is language and dialect the same? So for me, they are not the same, but they are not also dissimilar to each other. Language is what we use in our way of communicating in either spoken or written, as what I've said. And dialect is part of language. So, for example, language is Tagalog or Filipino. Then the dialect of that is how that word pronounced. For example, that Tagalog in Manila is different pronunciation to the Tagalog of Tondo. So that is the dialect. It is how that words being pronounced and have different meaning. So what is the difference between language and communication? So let us first talk about language. So language, as what I've said many times, that it is our way of communicating in either spoken or written, but in a form of words. So, but communication, on the other hand, is the reason why we understand each other, why we respond, why we react on certain things. For example, by gesturing, by anything in a form of communication.
Thank you for watching.
So, what is language? For me, language is the means that we use in order to communicate. It's either verbal or non-verbal, like the body language, still a language. Number two, the question is dialect and language the same? All I can say is that they are not the same, because a dialect can be a language, but not all language can be a dialect. That makes sense, right? Number three, what is the difference between language and a communication? So, for me, language is the means, or it's like a tool so that we can do communication. And communication is the activity, of course. That's all I can say. Thank you.